Hello guys, you see that I have a little bit kind of mess in my garage, right? So you can see that it's a lot of garden tools or lawn mower, right? And that's why I decided to order this garage space organizer. So today in this video I'm gonna to show you what you will have if you will order this garage space organizer, and I will try to install it on my wall so I will be able to deal with this mess and make my space in a garage a little bit more organized and more useful for me. So let's start from the what you will have inside the box and then how it works. So inside the box you will have these panels. They are made from plastic, right? Pretty sturdy. And you have a lot of them. And we have a small box with some additional accessories, how to adjust or how to stick these panels to the wall. So we have different hooks, right? We need to clean a surface where we are going to apply these walls or these pallets, right? And then we will be able to attach tools. Okay guys, I was able to attach first two panels to the wall, and by the way I found the screws. It's part of the kit, so you can see, and basically you need just to align these panels to the wall. So basically, of course, you need some leveling tool, and then you need just to continue from top to down or from down to top as you wish, and basically just screwing in this panel to the wall, and that's all. So I will continue. As a lesson learned, you need to insert this part inside in between if you're going to do like this. I forget to add this from the beginning and I don't want to start over, so I will have some other workaround. Now let's attach all hooks and tools. Okay, here you go. So 1 hour, approximately 1 hour time, you will need to do it. Of course, you can do it much better than I with proper measurement, and if you will not forget to use all details, right? But anyway, it's a garage, it's not my living room or something like that, so I don't want to spend too much time on it. Several hints, so do not forget that these side panels and also middle one you need to attach during the installation, not after, because it will be not possible to do after, so you need somehow to do it in parallel with the main part. And be careful, because this plastic is very fragile, so I managed to crack a couple of panels on the side. You cannot see this because we have this edge panels, right? So it's covered, it's all good, and in general you can see how it looks like. I will show you how it was and how it is. It's like real difference. And some of these hooks you can move if it's something not really heavy, right? But some of them for this long tools, right, I screw in hooks as well, so it should be like pretty safe. From the amount of hooks you can see that it's pretty big amount, so you can manage to handle a lot of stuff. And yeah, in general, if you're looking for something to organize your garage, you can buy, for example, several such sets, and it will be full wall or full to the sides or from bottom to the top. So it's pretty versatile approach, and if you need something like that, check this out.